What's up, everyone? Today we are cutting through the noise. I'm giving you the streamlined 2026 blueprint for Binance. No fluff, no confusion, just the fastest path from zero to ready to trade on the world's most liquid exchange. Now, before we dive into the how-to, I have some pretty amazing news for you. If you take a second to click the specific link located right below this video in the description, you're going to land directly on the official Binance sign-up screen. But here's the kicker. If you use that link to sign up, you're going to get an automatic 50% fee payback. On top of the fee discount, another $600 in rewards will be applied to your account simultaneously as you complete tasks. It's basically free money just for getting started, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Go ahead, click that link, and let's do this together. All right, are we on the page? Perfect. First things first, let's get your account created. Once you've clicked that link, you'll see the main sign-up portal. Now, you have options here. You can choose to proceed using your primary email address or your mobile phone number. It's totally up to you and whatever you feel most secure with. Go ahead and carefully enter the email or phone number you want to use. Right below that, you'll see a little checkbox asking you to agree to the terms of service. Make sure you give those a quick glance, check the box, and then hit that big continue button at the bottom. Now just hang tight for a second. Binance is going to send a 6-digit verification code to that email or phone number you just provided. Open up your inbox, find that code. It should arrive almost instantly, and type it right into the boxes on your screen. Next up is your password. This is super important for your security, so listen closely. The password has to be at least 8 characters long. It must contain at least one number, and you absolutely need at least one uppercase letter. Take your time to make it strong. Maybe write it down somewhere safe and then move forward. Oh, and just a quick tip. If an inviter code screen pops up, make sure my code is in there so you actually get those rewards I mentioned earlier. Once that's set, your basic account is officially created. Okay, we've got the account, but we aren't quite ready to trade yet. Next, we need to handle the KYC, or Know Your Customer, identity verification. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, paperwork. But trust me, this is mandatory if you want to deposit, withdraw, or trade on the platform. It's all about keeping your funds safe. Since this part requires a face scan, I highly recommend switching over to your mobile phone right now. Go to your app store, install the official Binance app, and launch it. Log in with the account we literally just created, and the app should take you directly to the verification screen. First, just confirm your nationality. Then you'll need to choose which ID you want to use. You can use a standard ID card, your driver's license, or even a passport. Honestly, they usually process these within about 5 minutes, so just grab whichever one is closest to you right now. Select Take Pictures as your submission method and hit Continue. You'll want to take a clear, well-lit photo of the front and the back of your ID. Try to fit it perfectly within the frame on your screen so there are no delays. Once the ID is uploaded, it's time for the face scan. Just align your face within the oval frame on your phone and follow the little prompts. It might ask you to blink or nod. After that's done, just quickly double check your personal info, your name, date of birth, and your current address. Select your occupation and industry from the list, and you're good to go. The review is lightning fast, usually about 5 minutes, and you can check your profile screen to see that verified badge. We are almost at the finish line. The final and arguably most important step is setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is your digital deadbolt. Let's head back to your PC screen for this. In the left-hand menu, look under Account and click on Security. You'll see an option for Authenticator app. Go ahead and click Manage right next to it. Click Enable, and for security, they'll send one more code to your email or phone. Type that in, and a QR code window will pop up. Leave that QR code on your screen and grab your phone again. Download the Google Authenticator app. Once it's installed, open it up, hit Get Started, and for the best security, click Use without signing in. Tap that Add a Code button and select Scan a QR code. Point your phone camera at your PC screen, scan that code, and boom, a 6-digit Binance OTP code will appear on your phone. Go back to your computer, hit next, and enter that 6-digit code from your phone to sync them. Hit submit, and that's it. Your Google OTP is active, and your account is now a fortress. And that is it. That concludes our complete tutorial on how to sign up for Binance the right way. You're now ready to start your crypto journey with discounted fees and some extra rewards in your pocket. If you found this walkthrough helpful today, please leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching,